I'm home. I didn't get a chance to show you while I was out in the field. But these are the tomatoes that I picked while I was out there. I actually just gave a few away. I don't know, it's like maybe 5 or 6 tomatoes to the neighbor next door. But as you can see, these tomatoes are kind of, they're splitting a little bit. Oh, that's not better. From the rain. So, I gotta use these immediately. I think I'm just gonna make some tomato paste again. That seems to be a good, quick way to use them up and put them away. And while I was out there, I picked a bunch of, actually I was at community garden across the street. Well, this is from the house. And I picked, well, this is Italian parsley's from the house, and I'm gonna put some of that into, what do you call it? The tomato paste, as well as, I'm hoping to make pesto. So maybe some of that will go on the pesto. I don't think I need to, because this bag is almost completely full of basil. Yikes. Release yourself, release! Alright, so it's a whole bunch of basil. And some fell on the floor. I'm in my hallway, by the way, trying to keep my mess at a minimum. And I also got 3 beautiful eggplants that I'm hoping to make some baba ganoush with. And maybe I'll stick some of that in the freezer and freeze some of that pesto as well. And there's some more parsley. And, ooh, yeah. Here's a nice Jimmy Nardello that I got from across the street. And I think I'm gonna put some peppers to dry in the dryer today. Isn't it cute? It's all curvy and stuff. Alright, so here's some potatoes from the last time. The last time that I harvested. And these are from today. So what I'm hoping to do is put these potatoes into, where's that bag? It's right in front of me. I'm such a knucklehead. So anyway, I'm going to take these potatoes from the last harvest, stick them in this bag, and then I'm going to take these potatoes from today that I harvested and put them in here for curing, because that's how it's been working out, and it seems to be a good system this year. So I'm going to do that, and so here we are. Today's harvest. Aren't they gorgeous? Unfortunately, I did get a couple, at least 3 that I can recall that got speared. So I'm going to sort of try to keep those to one side to make sure that they get used first. And if they start to go rotten, then they'll be chucked. You know, I'll be able to notice that they're bad, and I can throw them away quickly. So these potatoes are a lot more damp than the last 2 harvests that I collected, because, like I said before, the weather has been very rainy. And so I guess what I'm trying to say here is that I have to be careful that these potatoes are able to dry quickly, because I don't want them just to stay damp for any length of time. I can't find the other one that I speared. I know there was at least one more. Alright, whatever. I'm not going to worry about it too much. Ideally, you should have your potatoes in one layer. They shouldn't be piled up more than too high, I wouldn't say. So what I'm going to do now is sort of stand them up like this, long ways, so that they can get a good amount of air circulating around them. Because like I said, I really don't want them to go rotten just because of my neglecting to give them sufficient air circulation. So anyway, that's the deal. Let's see if I can do this fast. My camera's starting to go a little wonky. I guess once it starts to get overheated, it starts to get that crazy purple haze. So please forgive my camera. But here we go. So hopefully this will help the potatoes dry well and cure properly. I still couldn't find the other one that I'm pretty sure I speared, but oh my goodness, there's a poor little earthworm. Gotta save him. So anyway, yeah. So that's it for now. I'm gonna try to get some of these things done, make some tomato paste, and dry some peppers, make some pesto. I don't know if I'm gonna get all that done today, but I'm hoping I will. So thanks for watching.